Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to use the image to PDF converter. This image to PDF converter is free to use. You can modify it, study it, distribute it. Both source code and executables are available for different platforms. This is available for different platforms such as Linux, Android, Windows, Raspberry Pi, and Libre board. Go to this link. As we mentioned earlier, both the source code and executable for Linux, Android, exe for Windows, executable for Raspberry Pi, and Libre boards are available based on your platform of choice. Please download it. Right now, we'll download for the Linux distribution. Download this file. Locate the file which is downloaded. Extract it. Go inside the folder. Here you have several files. Locate the file which is called main and double click it. This is the GUI of the image to PDF converter. Here you have different buttons. One is to convert and whether to convert all in the folder or only single images. And we have info and the credits for this. This is developed in Python. If you need help in Python development, please contact us. To convert the images, check all in the folder checkbox. Go to convert, click convert. This will show the different folders. To change the folder, click the arrow and go to the folder. Now, if you want to process, click the select the image which you want by tapping once and click the tick mark. Now you will get a message saying that processed one image because you have chosen only one image. That file is returned in the same folder as the image. Open the file. So this is the file is converted to PDF now. If you want to convert multiple images, go to convert. Select images by single tap. Tapping again will deselect the image. That's okay. Now the multiple images are processed. This is having three images. If you want to convert all the images in this folder, check this checkbox. Now click convert. Choose any one image. This will convert all the images and the PDF will be saved in the same folder. For operating systems other than Android, the output file will be saved in the same folder as images. Due to the read and write permission issues in Android, the files will be saved in different locations, and that location where the PDF image saved will be displayed in this area. This is how you use the free images to PDF converter. If you need help in your Python app development, please contact us. Thank you.